Something every newbie needs to know how to do in Nomad Sculpt is how to delete an object. So here I have three objects, a sphere, a torus, and a box. And in order to delete them, I need to go up to the top left-hand corner. There's this triple box icon with the lines connecting some of the boxes. Select that, and you'll see there's a delete trash can right there. So if I want to delete the sphere, I just select that trash can. There's a second way to delete, which is if I want to delete the box, you see the box is not selected, but I can still delete it by just going to those triple dots, the ellipse next to the box, and then selecting delete. That will get rid of it. And now I only have my torus. So those are the two ways to delete an object in Nomad. I hope you found this helpful, and just enjoy your journey with Nomad. It's a great piece of software. Join me for more videos and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.